Show a giant effort to go green. Engineers are building a 100-foot tall buoy that will measure wind speed to help determine where to build offshore wind farms. TJ Del Santo has more now from North Kingstown.
Before the offshore wind farms are built, wind studies need to be done. And this 100-foot buoy you see behind me will measure the wind, and it's being assembled right here in Rhode Island.
Here at Quonset Point in North Kingstown, construction is underway on what is the first piece of equipment needed for a wind farm.
This will be used for measuring wind speed and wind direction at sites where we would like to place offshore wind farms.
This first-of-its-kind buoy is called Sea Zephyr. It will use technology called LiDAR, which uses lasers to measure wind.
We have to gather the wind data at the site to make sure that the wind speed is basically high enough to run turbines to generate power.
The buoy will initially be deployed off Block Island for studies, then sent to a site 20 miles off the New Jersey coast for a year of wind measuring before a wind farm can be built there. The 105-foot structure is made of high-density polyethylene, or a very thick plastic. It weighs 15 tons and will stick 45 feet out of the water. It is cheaper and environmentally more friendly than a traditional meteorological tower, which needs piles to be driven into the ocean floor. Instead, the Sea Zephyr will be chained to this cement mooring weight.
It will be vertical when it's installed.
Specialty Diving Services is the local contractor hired by Deepwater Wind to assemble and deploy the buoy.
Things are trending toward renewable energy, and it's a great marriage for our company with Deepwater Wind to get involved in the inception of this project.
SDS has hired more people for the job and expects to hire more, but the whole wind farm project is already affecting the local economy.
There's a whole supply chain associated with this buoy mobilization, all based here in Rhode Island: engineers, naval architects, trucking companies.
While this buoy will be used off of the New Jersey coastline, a similar buoy will be installed next year off of our coastline to study the wind for our wind farms. I'm TJ Del Santo for The Road Show.